Welcome back to Lana Decor. Are you ready to bring that warm, sun-drenched summer feeling right into your living space? Today, we are diving into some beautiful, budget-friendly vintage DIYs using simple thrift store finds. Get ready to transform forgotten treasures into stunning, airy decor pieces that will completely refresh your home for the sunny season. Let's get started. Capture the essence of summer walks by pressing wildflowers and ferns between the glass of upcycled, thrifted wooden frames. This simple DIY creates a stunning, airy gallery wall that perfectly preserves those beautiful botanical details for a sun-drenched, rustic cottage atmosphere in your home. Transform mismatched vintage glass bowls and brass candlesticks into an elegant, tiered display stand using simple glass adhesive. Fill the dazzling layers with fresh lemons and oranges to instantly brighten your kitchen counter, adding a gorgeous pop of cheerful summer color and beautiful light refractions. Give those beautiful, weathered tea and biscuit tins from the flea market a new life as charming indoor planters. They are the perfect size for growing fragrant summer herbs like basil and mint right on your sunniest windowsill, blending antique character with fresh culinary greenery. Rescue loose glass crystals from broken antique chandeliers and wrap them with aged brass wire to craft delicate, dangling sun catchers. Hang these handmade ornaments in a bright window to scatter vibrant rainbow prisms across your walls, instantly creating a truly magical and uplifting summer atmosphere. Sand down a distressed, antique wooden ladder to reveal its natural grain and lean it casually against your bedroom wall. It becomes an incredibly stylish and functional rack for draping lightweight summer throws and textured cotton blankets, keeping your space feeling perfectly airy and organized. Sew together a collection of delicate, vintage embroidered handkerchiefs to create charming, sheer patchwork cafe curtains for your kitchen. This beautiful upcycling project gently filters the intense summer sun while casting lovely patterned silhouettes, adding a touch of romantic nostalgia to your daily dishwashing routine. Cluster a mismatched collection of thrifted amber medicine bottles and glass vases in the center of your dining table. During the golden hour, these inexpensive vessels catch the afternoon light beautifully, glowing like liquid honey and creating an incredibly warm, cozy aesthetic for your summer gatherings. Repurpose an ornate, painted vintage mirror frame into a trendy serving tray by carefully removing the heavy glass and attaching a layer of natural cane webbing. It is an absolutely perfect, stylish base for serving pitchers of fresh iced tea during those warm, lazy summer afternoons. Clean up an authentic, weathered wooden apple crate and attach small metal casters to the bottom for an easy rolling storage solution. Tuck it into a sunny reading nook to hold your favorite magazines and lightweight throws, adding fantastic rustic charm and brilliant functional utility. Salvage heavily damaged antique books by removing their torn covers and tightly binding the exposed, yellowed pages together using thick jute twine. These clever, textured bundles make absolutely fantastic rustic pedestals for elevating small potted ferns and trailing summer plants on your shelves or tables. Give a cheap, plain lampshade a completely new life by carefully applying a layer of vibrant, retro floral vintage fabric over the top. When the sunlight hits the colorful botanical pattern, it instantly brightens the entire room, turning a basic fixture into a cheerful summer statement. Paint a decorative, thrifted wire birdcage in a soft, chippy ivory finish and suspend it gracefully near a large glass door. Place a lush, trailing pothose inside, allowing the vibrant green vines to spill romantically through the metal bars for an enchanting, botanical summer display. Skip traditional framed art and create a stunning mosaic on a blank kitchen wall using an eclectic mix of thrifted porcelain plates. Select dishes featuring painted floral and fruit motifs to add a vibrant, cheerful burst of summer color and unique vintage personality to your dining space. Hollow out the broken mechanical pieces from a beautiful antique wooden mantel clock, leaving only the intricately carved empty casing. Mount it securely on the wall to serve as a tiny, captivating shadow box shelf for proudly displaying miniature succulents and your most treasured little summer thrift finds. Remove the broken glass from a chippy, weathered window frame and staple rustic chicken wire across the back. Hang it in a sunny spot to beautifully dry fresh bundles of summer lavender and chamomile, creating a piece that perfectly blends practical utility with gorgeous farmhouse cottage charm. Unify a completely mismatched set of thrifted dining chairs with a fresh coat of chalk paint in cheerful summer shades like mint and pale yellow. Lightly distress the edges to reveal the raw wood beneath, instantly bringing a playful, relaxed, and welcoming summer vibe to your meals. Line the interior of a charming, thrifted wicker picnic basket with a classic red and white checkered gingham fabric. Leave the lid slightly propped open under an entryway console table to provide incredibly stylish, hidden storage that brings a delightful touch of outdoor picnic nostalgia inside. Clean out beautiful, orphaned fine-bone china teacups found at the thrift store and carefully fill them with melted soy wax and cotton wicks. Add a few drops of sweet orange essential oil to craft charming, fragrant homemade candles perfect for illuminating your cozy summer evening gatherings. That wraps up our sun-drenched home refresh. I hope these vintage thrift store flips inspired you to look at secondhand treasures in a whole new light and bring that beautiful summer warmth into your own space. If you enjoyed these DIY ideas, please hit that like button, subscribe to Lana Decor for more styling inspiration, and leave a comment below telling me your favorite project.